What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to apply beard balm. All right, so stay tuned. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, beard product reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at some ways to apply beard balm. Alright, so a few weeks ago I did a video on how to apply beard oil, but today we're going to be talking about beard balm. Alright, so if you don't know what beard balm is, it is a textured product like that, with the majority of the same ingredients as an oil, with a few added things such as usually shea butter, beeswax, that kind of thing. So in my opinion, there are two different types of beard balms. There are conditioning beard balms and there are holding beard balms. And in my opinion, there are two different ways to apply them. Now, this is all my opinion and what I've found that works and what works for me. So two that I'm going to talk about today are two oils or balms that I have reviewed in the past. One is from Kingdom Beard Co. This is the Sword, and this is more of a holding beard balm. All right, so the way I would want to apply this is I would want to get with my beard about the length that it is, I get about a fingernail portion. This isn't their strong. There is a stronger holding balm. This is more on the medium side, but it is a holding balm, and you can tell that because it takes your fingernail really to get it out. But take that balm in your hand, emulsify that, and then come over the top. And what that's going to do is it's going to lock down any of those flyaways. It's really going to control the outside of your beard and kind of tame it and kind of sculpt it the way you want it sculpted and styled. All right, so the other kind of beard balm, in my opinion, is more of a conditioning beard balm. One that is more like this. It's a little more creamy, a little easier to get out. This one I've also done a review on, which is Murphy's beard balm, and this one you can really just get it out with your fingertip. You don't need your fingernail. Now the way I apply this, I'm not going to do it because I just put the other in, but I would take a little bit more because we're not going just on the outside. So I'm going to take just a little bit more of that. I'm going to emulsify it in my hands, and I'm going to come in underneath, and I'm going to just coat my entire beard with it, just like I would do with an oil. So it's going to condition that entire beard and get from scalp to from skin all the way to the tips of my beard, work it all in and get it all in my beard. And what that's going to do is it's thicker than an oil, so it's going to condition longer, and I think it has a little bit more of that conditioning property. So those are two ways that you can apply beard balm. Now, if you know another way to apply beard balm, drop me a comment, let me know. I'd love to try something different, see if it works for me. But with my beard as curly as it is, I pretty much go with a medium to a high hold balm if I'm going for that. And then at night is when I like to use these conditioning balms and get them all in my beard before I go to bed. And that does a really good job of conditioning my beard throughout the night and makes it really easy to get a comb through it and kind of avoid some of those tangles and knots and that kind of thing the next morning. So if you don't have a conditioning balm, two that I would recommend is Murphy's and Honest Amish. Those are two that I would definitely recommend, are really good off the top of my head, two really good conditioning balms. Now when it comes to a holding balm, there's so many of them on the market, but Kingdom Beard Co. definitely has this one, and this is their regular. They have a strong hold, which I haven't tried yet, but yeah, I'll drop links to both of these reviews and both of these products in the description below. But drop me a comment. Let me know if there's another way to apply beard balm, what you use, what works for you. I'd be interested to know and try something new. So, as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.